The A340 family has three independent hydraulic systems: green, blue, and yellow. Now let's look at the systems in more detail.
Each system has its own reservoir. Each system is pressurized by engine-driven pumps, 2 for the green system, 1 for the blue and yellow systems. Each engine-driven pump is powered by its own engine. The green pumps by engines 1 and 4, the blue pump by engine 2, the yellow pump by engine 3. Fire shut-off valves are located between the reservoirs and each engine-driven pump. They are manually closed by using the fire push-button switches on the fire panel. Refer to the fire chapter. Note, the green fire shut-off valves can also close automatically during a reservoir low level. Each system has an electric pump, which can also pressurize the system. Note, on the ground, to operate cargo doors, the crew can use the yellow electric pump or a hand pump to pressurize the yellow system.
In an emergency, the ram air turbine, RAT, can provide pressure to the green system. Each hydraulic system delivers the same constant pressure to the users.
The system is monitored by a Hydraulic System Monitoring Unit, HSMU.
All the components we have talked about are displayed on the ECAM hydraulic page.
Let's briefly review the basic system using the ECAM hydraulic page. The reservoirs. The fire shut-off valves. The engine-driven pumps. The electrical pumps. The RAT.
The pressure indications.
The controls for the components that we have introduced are located on the overhead hydraulic control panel.
The hydraulic system is fully automatic. However, each pump has an associated push-button switch for abnormal operation.
Each engine-driven pump is controlled by a push-button switch. The hydraulic electrical pumps are controlled by 2 push-button switches each. The electric pumps are not designed for continuous use to replace the engine-driven pumps. These pumps are just fitted to assist with the retraction of hydraulically actuated equipment. Let's look at when the electric pumps operate on the individual systems. The green electric pump can be activated manually or automatically. The electric pump runs automatically. In flight, for approximately 25 seconds, to assist with gear retraction in the event of a failure of engine 1 and/or 4. On the ground, during taxiing with engines 1 and 4 stopped, to supply normal brake system and the nose wheel steering system. When the pump is running, the blue on light illuminates. The blue system electric pump does not run automatically. In flight, the crew can manually select the pump on for a short period, for example, to retract a deployed blue spoiler following loss of engine 2. On the ground, it is used for maintenance operation, for example, to repressurize the blue system brake accumulators. The yellow electric pump can be activated manually by the crew or automatically by the HSMU. The electric pump runs automatically in flight following, for example, an engine 3 failure to ensure flap retraction in proper time. On the ground for cargo door operation. The yellow electric pump does not stop automatically and can only be switched off by the crew. The rat may be extended manually by using this guarded push-button switch. But an automatic deployment of the rat occurs in case of all engine failure, or green plus blue reservoir low level plus yellow wiring cut, or in emergency electrical configuration when engines 1 and 4 are lost.